Oh, he's got him. That's a nasty one. He's bowled quite briskly tonight and with good intent, has Shoaib Akhtar.
Stirred but not shaken. He was looking for that single. It really was a nasty blow. It sounded like one, but he's okay. Few repair work's been done to the helmet, but Shoaib Akhtar clearly surprising him with this vicious short pitch delivery that got him on the helmet. He was late on the ball and straight away he was wary enough really to go for that single. It didn't happen in the end, but what a blow. He survives it.
That's nasty. Right on the peak of that helmet. He was aware enough to try and get a single. Maybe just aware enough to try and get down the other end. After that delivery, it was a nasty one from Shoaib, and he puts up the hand to make sure that Johan's okay. You okay, mate, he said.
It gets you after a while. You feel the head spinning. You sweat a little bit more, but he's got his focus back on the job. He's leading South Africa. He's a resolute character. Happy with when talking to media. Makes a lot of sense. Bowls well. He's a fighter, Botha. He lives to survive another day.
He's tough too. There's the helmet. It makes sense actually. Just remember that when you do get a blow on the helmet. Hopefully you don't, but if you do get a nasty blow on the helmet from a quick bowler, swap the helmets, because they're made to absorb the one blow basically. Generally you'll find that a helmet will fracture a little bit with one blow, and two blows it'll be quite weak the second time round. So that's the idea. You're supposed to swap over the helmets once you do get one knock. Bowled him. Terrific. Outstanding. Shoaib Akhtar has put on a show tonight, and a big smile on his dial, and why not? I think he's been sensational. That's his third now, and a very important wicket. A great follow-up after the bouncer, and Johan Botha is annoyed with himself. He goes for 15, 201 for 7. Now here is a real chance for Pakistan as the bowlers are coming in, 7 down, just over 200, and South Africa are in trouble.
Well, it was a beautiful piece of bowling from Shoaib Akhtar. He softened him up with a vicious bouncer that hit him on the helmet. And the next ball, he bowls a beautiful Yorker. He went across the line as well, but hit the stumps, and well, what a spell of bowling from Shoaib. It's a powerful performance. Have a look at this one. It curled back just a shade, enough to disturb the furniture. It really is a terrific ball. Good piece of bowling from Shoaib Akhtar. He's a clever operator. He may be fast, but he's intelligently fast. Doesn't waste his balls.